Welcome to our exciting English learning adventure. Today, we'll be exploring the wonderful world of jobs and professions. Are you ready to have some fun and learn new English words? Great! Let's get started. First, we're at the primary school. Let's talk about teachers. Can you say teacher with me?
Teacher.
Good job. Teachers help us learn and grow. And now we're at the fire station. Look, it's a firefighter. Can you say firefighter?
Firefighter.
Excellent. Firefighters are brave heroes who save people from fires. Let's try one more. What do we call someone who helps keep our city safe? That's right, a police officer. Say it with me, police officer.
Police officer.
Great job, everyone. Next, we're at a construction site. What do we call the people who build houses and buildings? Yes, they are construction workers. Repeat after me, construction workers.
Construction workers.
Fantastic! They create amazing structures for us to live and work in. Now we're at the farm. Look over there, it's a farmer. Can you say farmer with me?
Farmer.
Great! Farmers work hard to grow delicious fruits and vegetables for us to eat. Next, we're at the airport. Look, there's a person guiding the planes on the runway. What do we call them? That's right, air traffic controllers. Say it with me, air traffic controllers.
Air traffic controllers.
Fantastic! They help airplanes take off and land safely. Let's visit the hospital. Can you guess who works here? Yes, it's a nurse. Say nurse with me.
Nurse.
Wonderful! Nurses take care of patients and help them feel better. Finally, let's try another one. What about doctor? Say it after me, doctor.
Doctor.
Well done. Doctors take care of our health. Now, let's say all the professions we've learned together. Teacher.
Teacher.
Firefighter.
Firefighter.
Police officer.
Police officer.
Construction worker.
Construction workers.
Farmer.
Farmer.
Air traffic controller.
Air traffic controllers.
Nurse.
Nurse.
And doctor.
Doctor.
Great job, everyone! You did an amazing job learning about different jobs and professions. Keep practicing these words, and you'll become English experts in no time. Learning new words is fun, and it helps us understand the world around us better. Keep exploring and discovering new things. Thank you for joining us on this fantastic learning journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing English lessons. See you next time for more exciting English learning adventures.